Here's an easy way to make sure your joist hangers go where they should and snug up evenly. After cutting your joist to length, use a small clamp. I'm using a 6-inch clamp to hold the joist hanger flush with the bottom and end of the joist. Do this for both ends of your joist. Rest the joist on pieces of scrap wood so that it's even with the tops of your rim joists. Use a torpedo level to make sure the joist is level vertically. Then put 1 or 2 screws in each side of the joist hanger. You can then remove the clamp and finish screwing. I'm using deck tape to prevent rot between the hangers and rim joists.